Has it happened to you? All that commotion? Shiba Inu is facing a pivotal moment. Unlike ever before, whales are breaching the surface. Something is shouted from their behavior. Huge things are on the horizon. This decline in the market is unlike any other. This is a signal to act quickly, a window of opportunity. There are indications everywhere. Need to know the reason. Okay, I'll try to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. A feeling of hope persists despite the recent decline. The Shiba Inu is considered by many industry watchers to be a breed that could soon be making a return. Though some see the current market slump as more of a short-term inconvenience than a permanent problem, others argue that it will pass soon. Shiba Inu is now seeing a little drop after a short upswing yesterday. The price of Shiba Inu has fallen by more than 12% in the last 7 days from its highest point. In the last 60 to 90 days, the coin's value has dropped by around 45%, but there is still optimism when we look at the bigger picture. Several market watchers have noticed that the decline in Shiba Inu prices may be leveling out, suggesting a probable recovery in the near future. Values in the cryptocurrency market may fall and then rise again in an instant, making it famously unpredictable. Considering this, there is an additional noteworthy development to mention. Shiba Inu whale sightings have allegedly increased dramatically. An ex-user claims that whales are stockpiling Shiba Inu at an unprecedented rate, signaling the impending arrival of something monumental. This sudden uptick in whale sightings may mean a few things. Large cryptocurrency holders, known as whales, often stock up on assets in the hopes that their value will rise. For other investors, their purchasing habits can indicate that good things are about to happen. No one knows for sure what has sparked this unexpected fascination, but it's safe to assume that these major players know something that the general public doesn't. This build-up may have several causes, some of which may have anything to do with fascinating new trends in the Shiba Inu ecology. These bigger investors may be interested in it because of upcoming improvements or updates that might make it more useful. A significant cooperation or partnership is another potential avenue that might increase the platform's user base and investment base. It is also possible that these whales are being encouraged to position themselves for possible advantages by changes in the general Bitcoin market or macroeconomic developments. Whatever the reason may be, the present market scenario is further complicated by this unusual increase in whale activity. It gives Shiba Inu owners optimism that things will improve soon. More retail investors may be enticed to buy cryptocurrencies after seeing the engagement of these bigger investors, who frequently boost the cryptocurrency's visibility and legitimacy. This uptick in whale sightings is encouraging news for Shiba Inu, but the trend isn't exclusive to those dogs. Even more bizarre events are unfolding in the Bitcoin market. Something big is going on behind the scenes, according to CryptoQuant CEO, who just tweeted about it. He brought attention to the fact that over 400,000 BTC, or over 500,000 Bitcoin, has been transferred to permanent holder wallets in the last 30 days. The value of those Bitcoins exceeds $23 billion. Subsequently, he reinforced this peculiar behavior by bringing up his previous tweet from July 24th, in which he revealed the transfer of 385,000 Bitcoins to Colt wallets, characterizing it as an unprecedented amount of whale accumulation. His remarks give the impression that significant investors are preparing for a huge move, and he dropped hints that all will become obvious in a year. When whales behave in this way, it's usually an indication that big things are about to happen in the crypto market, and Shiba Inu might be one of them. Along these lines, he thinks we may hear headlines within a year from these institutions asserting they bought a bunch of Bitcoin in Q3 2024. Especially in light of recent events, such as the German government selling off seized Bitcoin or the US government dumping billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin from the MTGOX situation, he cautions that regular investors may come to regret not purchasing Bitcoin sooner. This may lead to a perfect storm in which large investors flood the market with Bitcoin and small-scale investors lose money. These deliberate actions taken by major organizations may have a profound impact on Bitcoin's future. The recent uptick in whale activity suggests that these institutional investors are gearing up for a major event. Their buying habits and transaction volume suggest a possible market change that may dictate the future. The question then becomes, what lies ahead? Could a major turning point soon be upon the cryptocurrency market? Is anything else going on here? An important occasion is set to take place for Shiba Inu. X now has an official Shiba Inu account. Would you want to go to Toronto? There it is just 1 week left till the Futurist Conference begins. Updates, unique merchandise, and surprises are on the way. Make sure you stop by our booth. The Blockchain Futurist Conference is a major meeting place for those involved in the cryptocurrency and technology industries. This is the biggest Web3 event in Canada, where tech enthusiasts and innovators gather to discuss and plan for the future of the web. It's a wonderful chance for Shiba Inu to share its new products with the public and interact with locals. The level of excitement for this occasion has never been higher. Shiba Inu enthusiasts have a lot to be excited about, what with all the new features and unique stuff on the way. The Shiba Inu ecosystem may see an influx of new members and funding as a result of events like these. Now is the time for everyone in the community to rally behind this cherished coin and rejoice in its future. Analysts have begun to offer their forecasts on the potential of Shiba Inu as enthusiasm grows for the forthcoming Futurist Conference. Armando Pantoja, an expert, recently posted on X and presented a compelling argument for the impending spike in value of Shiba Inu. A positive RSI divergence, as he said, might indicate that the correction is over. Pantoja claims that the Shiba Inu price is now in a good buying range, and he recommends that investors consider purchasing at the present lows before the price may surge beyond important resistance levels. The recent success of Shiba Inu is the foundation of the confidence around its possible ascent. The cryptocurrency's value has been severely impacted by the negative trend this month, almost wiping out the gains it gained in March. Shiba Inu achieved an all-time high of 4,045 in March of this year, the same level it attained in 2020. In August, it has fallen to 4011, not seen since late February, and is just escaping a slide to 50. When compared to the peak in March, the precipitous fall from the August low is mind-boggling. The market, nevertheless, views the present low price as a desirable accumulation zone, says Pantoja. The Shiba Inu might reach new heights of 2 zeros, and one according to his prediction of a huge FOMO craze. If this materializes, investors who purchase shares at the current price would reap enormous rewards. In particular, if Pantoja's forecast materializes, their portfolios might grow by a staggering 7,000%. Even though Pantoja is being quite daring with her prediction, other experts are similarly bullish about the Shiba Inu's prospects, albeit they are more cautious in their outlook. Rather of the 2 zeros that Pantoja imagines, many think Shiba Inu will probably simply erase one. The market is becoming more and more exciting, and investors can't wait to see where it goes from here. However, how do you feel about that? Leave a comment in the space provided. Your comment would be much appreciated. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.